Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make something very quick. This is 2 cans of tuna I'm going to use. Well, I already started. I wasn't going to film it, but I said I don't think I have this recipe in my list of videos. So in here I have garlic that I stir fried, and with the same oil that the tuna has. Once the garlic was caramelized, I put 2 cans of water. I just rinsed the can and just put 2 cans of water in there, and then basically that's all I did. I also scraped with a fork the tuna so it kind of it gets into smaller pieces, and then also I'm going to add salt to taste. I will be also using some veggies. I'll be using zucchini, red peppers, green peppers, and 2 tomatoes with this. You can use any veggies that you wish. It's your decision how you want to make this recipe. I'm just giving you the idea. And this is a recipe that will be taking maybe 15-20 minutes. That's all. It's a quick recipe. All right, so I put all the ingredients in there. Now we're going to mix this up very well, thoroughly, making sure all those vegetables are covered with that broth. It will give taste to all these veggies. Trust me, you will enjoy this. You can eat this with either bread or keto bread or keto tortilla, whichever that you have on hand, or just like a soup almost. So like, it's very tasty. All my family, my back home in my country, loved this recipe. It's just a simple recipe that takes only 15 minutes and so quick. So I'm not gonna overcook this because I don't want my vegetables overcooked. I like the crunchiness, so I love crunchy zucchini. I don't want it fully raw, but I want it crunchy. So I'm gonna let it boil like for 2 to 3 minutes, max 4 minutes, and then I'll just turn off the stove, and that's basically it. I don't want it to overcook. I love it crunchy. So easy, so simple. You can add turmeric if you like to give it more color, but I think for now it looks fine. The color looks perfect because of the red peppers, I guess. So I'll be back once it's done. Well, here is the results of this very easy, very quick recipe. If you have all the vegetables ready chopped, it will be less than 20 minutes for you to prepare this. It is so quick. You can do it with tuna, you can do it with chicken, or any other canned food that you want to use. It's your decision what you want to use, and it's very delicious. If you try it out, let me know if you liked it. Comment below. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.